let us discuss about project phases. The 5 phases of a project are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. I repeat this again. The 5 phases of projects are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Under initiation, we develop the project charter and we identify the stakeholders. And during the initiation, a project manager is appointed, and the project manager guides the project into planning phase. The initiation phase is done by the sponsor, creates a project charter, identifies the stakeholders, appoints a project manager, and then we get into planning phase. Within planning, the key activities are development of a project management plan, which comprises of the subsidiary plans of scope management, schedule management, cost management, quality management, resource management, risk management, communications management, procurement management, stakeholders management, change management, and environment, health and safety, that is EHS. So the individual teams may prepare all these plans, but then it has to be integrated into an integrated project management plan. That is the primary role of a project manager. Then comes the execution phase. It is all about executing the project as per the plan. And then monitoring and controlling. Actually, monitoring and controlling starts from the day one till the end of the project. So we monitor and control the schedule, we monitor and control the scope, we monitor and control the cost, quality, risk in the project, the procurement activities in the project, the resource availabilities in the project, and the stakeholder engagement in the project, and EHS, environment, health and safety related activities of the project. Then we move on to closing. It's about closing the phase of the project or closing the project. So every phase of a project has to be formally closed. So closing, the formal closure of the phase comes under closing, and which include the final closing of the project as well. So this is the typical flow of a project. We initiate the project first, we get into detailed planning, then we try to execute the project as per the plan, and we monitor and control the project against the actual versus the plans, and then we get into the formal closure. As per PMP, they also call it as the 5 process groups of initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing, and this can be considered as the 5 phases of a project as well. Thank you very much.